If your Google Drive folders are not showing up, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. Whether the folder was shared with you, got moved somewhere unexpected, was deleted, or is being hidden by a browser issue, there are a few simple things you can check right now to bring it back. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Drive fixes and productivity tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to drive.google.com and sign in with the Google account you use for your files. This is important because sometimes the issue is just that you're signed into the wrong account and the folder is actually attached to a different Gmail address. Once you're in Google Drive, take a close look at the left sidebar. One of the first places to check is Shared with Me. If someone else created the folder and shared it with you, it may not appear in My Drive by default. Click Shared with Me and look for the missing folder there. If you find it, right-click the folder, choose Organize, and then select Add Shortcut to place it into your My Drive for easier access. This is one of the most common reasons folders seem to disappear when they're actually still available. Next, if the folder still isn't visible, use the search bar at the top of Google Drive. Type the exact name of the folder if you know it, or even a partial name if you're not completely sure. Sometimes folders get moved accidentally into another folder, so a search can help you locate it much faster than manually browsing through everything. If the folder appears in the search results, open it and check where it's stored. You may just need to move it back or create a shortcut so it shows up where you expect. Now let's check another very important place, the trash bin. Google Drive keeps deleted items in the trash for 30 days before they're permanently removed. So if the folder was deleted recently, there's a good chance it can still be restored. Click Trash in the left sidebar and see if the missing folder is there. If you find it, right-click it and choose Restore. Once restored, the folder should return to your drive normally. If you still can't find the folder, try opening Google Drive in an Incognito window. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with Google Drive scripts and cause folders or files to load incorrectly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open an Incognito window. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Then go directly to Google Drive and sign in again. If the folder suddenly appears in incognito mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the issue. In that case, disable your extensions one by one until you find the one that's blocking Drive. Another thing to keep in mind is that Google Drive can take a moment to sync changes, especially if you're using multiple devices or a slow connection. So if the folder was just created, moved, or shared, give it a little time and refresh the page before assuming it's gone. Also, make sure your browser is up to date, because outdated browser versions can sometimes create display problems. At this point, if you've checked Shared with Me, searched for the folder, reviewed the trash, and tested incognito mode, you've covered the main reasons Google Drive folders don't show up. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem quickly. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Google Drive troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.